Welcome to this quick guide where I'm going to show you how to add bookmarks in Microsoft Edge. And if you get any value out of this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. But to get started with the guide, if you want to add a bookmark in Microsoft Edge, first let's just enable the bookmarks bar if you don't have it yet. Click on the settings icon here, then go to favorites, and then here in the favorites bar, click on these three dots, and then go to show favorites bar and just set this to always. So you can get this bar up top here that shows your favorites. Now, if you want to add a favorite to this favorite bar, you can visit the website that you want to add as a favorite. For this tutorial, I'll just add my website as a favorite. And all you have to do is you just need to click on this star icon here so you can add it as a favorite and you can give it a name. I'll just leave this on the default, but you can change that if you want to. And you can choose a folder where you want to save this. Right now, the favorites bar is selected. That means it's just going to show on this bar, but you can actually create a new folder on this bar. So just to show you how that works is you can click on this drop down and you can click on choose another folder, which will bring up this page. Now with the favorites bar folder selected, you can click on new folder and here you can give it a name. I'm just going to call this folder stuff. Then you can click on save and it's now going to add this website as a favorite in the folder that you created. So if you click on that folder, you can then see the bookmark that you created. Now you can also move this by clicking and dragging and you can move it out of the folder onto the bar. And then you can also click any of these other bookmarks, click and drag and move it to the folder as well. And it's also going to place it inside of a folder. And if you want to delete this, you can right click on it and then click on delete and it's going to delete the folder with any of the bookmarks inside of it. And you can tell if you have a bookmark of a specific page by looking at the star icon up here. If it's colored, like you see there, it's colored blue. It means this is a bookmark somewhere in Microsoft Edge. And if you click on that, you can also click on remove, which will then remove the bookmark from Microsoft Edge. So I hope this quick guide's been useful. Please like the video and I'll see you in the next one.